we have learned the multiplication tables, and we have also seen how helpful these multiplication tables are. They help us perform big additions very fast. See what you have here? Do you know what is this? It is a chessboard. Now, how many squares are there on this chessboard? I see many squares here. How many squares are here? So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This row has 8 squares. This row has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 squares. So there are 8 squares in each row. And how many rows are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 rows. So I need to add 8 times. So this is 8 added 8 times. So will you add these 8s to find out the number of squares on this chessboard? Well, no, because now you know that repeated addition is multiplication. So instead of adding these 8s 8 times, you can multiply, because this would take up a lot of your time, and there is also a chance that you make an error while doing this. So 8 added 8 times is nothing but 8 into 8, 8 times 8. So 8 times 8 is what we need to find. But how do we find this? Well, in order to find this, I need to know the multiplication table of 8. So let us make the multiplication table of 8. 8 into 1. This is where we start our multiplication table. 1 times 8. So 8 into 1 is 8. Next, we have 8 into 2. Because we are finding the multiplication table of 8. This is into, and this number has to increase by 1. So 8 into 2 is 8 added twice. So 8 plus 8 is 16. 8 into 2 is 16. What do we need to find next? 8 into 3, which is 8 added 3 times. 8 plus 8 plus 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. And I have another plus 8. 16 plus 8 is 24. So 8 into 3 is 8 plus 8 plus 8, which is 24. Next we have 8 into 4, which is 8 added 4 times. Now 8 plus 8 is 16, and I have 2 more 8s to be added. 16 plus 8 is 24, and I have a plus 8. 24 plus 8 is 32. So 8 into 4 is 32, which is 8 added 4 times. Now once again, if you observe, in every step my answer is increasing by 8. 16 is 8 plus 8. 16 plus 8 is 24. 24 plus 8 is 32. So in every step my answer is increasing by 8. So what will be 8 into 5? 32 plus 8. 32 plus 8. 32 plus 8 is 40. So 8 into 5 is 32 plus 8, which is 40. What will be 8 into 6? 8 into 6 will be 40 plus 8, which is 48. 8 into 7 will be 48 plus 8, which is 56. And so we find till 8 into 10, which is 80. But we need only these numbers. This is simply how we have got these numbers. So the multiplication table of 8 is this. So write this multiplication table and remember it by heart. And now coming back to our question. How many squares are there on this chessboard? Now it's very easy for you. 8 times 8. What is 8 times 8? 8 into 8. And from our multiplication table, 8 into 8 is 64. So 8 into 8 is 64. So you see how easy it is. 8 into 8, 64. So just by knowing that there are 8 rows and in each row there are 8 squares, I can find the number of squares on the chessboard. There are so many of them. Now we have some tasty chocolates here. And in each box there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 chocolates. And how many boxes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 boxes. So I need to add 9 5 times to find the number of chocolates. But this is repeated addition. And we know that repeated addition is multiplication. So instead of this, I can write 5 times 9. 9 into 5. But how do I find 9 into 5? For this, once again, I need the multiplication table of 9. So let's make the multiplication table of 9. Where do we start? We start with 9 1 times, which is 9. So 9 into 1 is 9. Next is 9 into 2, which is 9 added 2 times. 9 plus 9, that is 18. So 9 into 2 is 18. Next I have 9 into 3, which is 9 added 3 times. 9 plus 9 plus 9. Now what is 9 plus 9? 18. And what is 18 plus 9? 27. So 9 into 3 is 27. Next I have 9 into 4, which is 9 added 4 times. So 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. 9 added 4 times. 9 plus 9 is 18. And I have 2 more 9s to be added. 18 plus 9 is 27. And 27 plus 9 is 36. So 9 into 4 is 36. Now if you observe, in every step the answer is increasing by 9. So 18 is 9 plus 9. 27 is 18 plus 9. 36 is 27 plus 9. So what will be 9 into 5? 36 plus 9, which is 45. So 9 into 5 is 45. Now 9 into 6 will be 45 plus 9, which is 54. 9 into 7 will be 54 plus 9, which is 63. And so on, we have till 9 into 10, which is 90. So this is the multiplication table of 9. So do write it down and remember it by heart. And now let's come back to our original question. We need to find the number of chocolates in all the boxes together. which is 9 into 5. What is 9 into 5? Now we can very easily find it using our multiplication table. It is 45. So 9 into 5 is 45. So this is how you can use the multiplication tables to solve several problems. Now you know the multiplication table of 8 and 9 as well. So you need to remember it by heart very well. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per CBSE, ICSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures on maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve the slightest of your doubts. And that's not all. You can also win exciting prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.